Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make a landing page. First, establish a singular, focused goal for your page. This clarity will inform every design and content decision. Next, ensure your landing page's message precisely aligns with the advertisement or link that brought visitors there, creating a seamless experience. Finally, prioritize mobile responsiveness, as over 50% of web traffic now comes from handheld devices, making a mobile-friendly design absolutely crucial for success. A well-structured landing page is key. Opt for a clean, minimalist design to keep visitors focused and avoid overwhelming them with too much information. Integrate high-quality images or a concise video to visually demonstrate your product or service's value. Strategically use visual hierarchy, like larger fonts for headlines and arrows, to naturally direct the visitor's eye towards your primary call to action, ensuring they know exactly what step to take next. Your landing page copy must be compelling and easy to digest. Start with a clear, benefit-driven headline that instantly tells visitors what's in it for them. Keep the body copy concise and scannable, utilizing bullet points to highlight key features and benefits without lengthy paragraphs. To build immediate credibility, incorporate trust signals such as customer testimonials, client logos, or social media mentions, showing that others value your offering. The call to action is your page's most important element. Design a prominent, action-oriented button, ideally placed above the fold, encouraging immediate engagement. If you use a form, keep it brief, asking for only 2 or 3 essential pieces of information to minimize friction and increase completion rates. Remember, optimization is ongoing. Consistently /B test different headlines, images, and call to action button colors to discover what resonates best with your audience and drives higher conversions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.